They left Gaza with their education unfinished. A war had interrupted years of study, shattered the normal rhythm of university life, and put their dream of becoming dentist on hold. But thousands of kilometers away in Pakistan's eastern city of Lahore, that dream found a second chance. These Palestinian students did not come to Pakistan simply to study. They came to finish what the war had forced them to leave behind.
I am Palestinian from Gaza. I just finished my internship here in Pakistan. Me and my family were forced to evacuate from Gaza to Egypt. At that time, I was in the final year of dental school. And Alhamdulillah, we got a scholarship to continue our education in Pakistan.
Their stories begin in Gaza, but they continue here, inside the classrooms and clinics of the University of Lahore.
Coming to Pakistan was like great opportunity, and it was something that I thank God that I took this decision. One of the most beautiful parts of my experience is the Pakistani people themselves. How much they are like kind, how much like they have warm-hearted from inside, especially when they know that I'm from Palestine. They they immediately show love and concern. Some of them try to hug me, kiss me. Very kind people, and you feel that this thing is coming deeply from inside their hearts.
For Yusuf, Aya and their fellow students, Pakistan became a place to resume an education interrupted by war. Here they also found a community where they felt welcomed, supported and at home.
My journey to Pakistan wasn't simply a journey for completing study. It was a journey of hope, resilience and a new beginning to me. Pakistan gave me more than an academic experience. It gave me memories, friendships, and a sense of belonging far away from my home. We'll go back to Gaza and rebuild it, inshallah, by our hands.
In October 2024, the University of Lahore welcomed its first group of Palestinian students under the G-Hope initiative. Through a collaboration involving the Government of Pakistan, Al-Khidmat Foundation, the University of Lahore and international humanitarian partners, the BDS students were given the opportunity to complete the remaining 2 years of clinical training required for their degrees. What began with an interrupted education has now ended with a graduation, marking the completion of a journey that began in Gaza and continued in Lahore.
So about 2 years ago, there's an opportunity that came, that there's a possibility to bring the Palestinian students to Pakistan for their training. And we were very excited and we showed our interest and we jumped and we were involved in the entire process of bringing the first cohort of 28 students who came to Pakistan in October 2024. And over the period of time, the community has grown into more than 100 students now. It's a government project. The Prime Minister of Pakistan, the Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan, they welcome these students, they welcome them in Pakistan. I think you saw the Prime Minister tweet when the first batch came, he welcomed him themselves. And also he invited them at the Prime Minister House as well. So the Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, they were on board, the embassy was on board. So everyone welcomed them and they made sure that these students are well facilitated in Pakistan.
For displaced Palestinian students, universities in Pakistan have become a beacon of hope for them, because if war in Gaza has destroyed their academic institutions here have opened doors for them.